Hey guys, Cherise here with Inglês para Brazucas com a Cherise. And today I want to talk about the sounds of the letters of the alphabet. For some people, this sounds very easy, but you would be surprised how many people can have conversation in English, but they don't know the sounds that each letter makes in the alphabet. So let's talk about it today, okay? So first, we have the letter A. A says like apple or astronaut or ask a question, The next letter is the letter B, b, like bed or boy or ball, b. The next one is the letter C, k, like cat or cake, k. Next, we have the letter D, like duck, or dog or doll, duck, Next, we have the letter E. Be careful. E and I can be difficult in English. So the letter E says like elephant, or egg, or exactly, The letter E says The sound of E is in English. Next, we have the letter F, frog, or farm, or fish. Next, we have the letter G, guitar, girl, good, God, g. Next, the letter H. The H is a little stronger in English. Hat, happy, like happy birthday. Hat. Next, we have the letter I. Don't confuse it with the letter E, like elephant. This is the letter I, like iguana. Iguana. Inside. Iguana. So the letter I says I. J, like jelly or jam or jump, j. Next, the letter K, like key or kite, Next, the letter L, like leaves or love, Next, we have the letter M, And remember, the letter M, you have to close your mouth. If the letter M is at the end of a word, you must close your mouth. Like monkey or milk. Next, we have the letter N. Nine or no. Next, we have O, octopus, or off, Next, the letter P, paint, or popcorn. I like popcorn. Paint, popcorn. Next, we have the letter Q, qu, like quilt. It's a special blanket made with pieces of fabric, quilt, or queen, or the sound that the duck makes, quack, qu. Next, we have R, Excuse my dog, Carlinhos is here with me, and he hears the noises outside. So R, like ring, or rainbow, or right, the R says Next we have S, like socks, or snake, or snacks. Next we have T, like tiger, or table, or tennis. Now we have U, umbrella, or up, umbrella. The U says Next, we have V, like vase, or vase, or vibrate, or victory. Next we have W, like watch, or water, watch, water. X, like X-ray, or if the X is on the end of the word, like box, fox. Now we have Y, like yo-yo, yes, yellow, Now we have the letter Z, like zebra, So I hope this helped you. Feel free to watch the video more than once and practice the sounds. When we practice, we get better, right? So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message and I will answer you, okay? See you guys later.